Today I'm talking about something that can look alarming if you've never seen it before. Reverse sneezing in dogs. It's noisy, it's sudden, and most dog owners remember the first time they saw it, usually because they thought their dog was choking. I know I did. So let's break down what it actually is, why it happens, and which dogs are more prone to it, and what you can do when it occurs.
I'm Laura, I run a natural dog treat business and I help new dog owners figure things out.
So what is reverse sneezing? Reverse sneezing is a reflex caused by irritation or inflammation in the back of the throat, nasal passages, or the soft palate. Instead of forcefully blowing air out like a normal sneeze, your dog rapidly pulls air in, and that's why it sounds like snorting, honking, or quick repeated inhalations. The body is basically trying to clear whatever has triggered the irritation. Why does it happen? There are several common triggers and none of them are your fault. Dogs are simply built to encounter their environment nose first. Some usual causes include environmental irritants like dust, pollen and smoke, strong scents from perfumes, cleaning sprays, candles or plug-ins, excitement or pulling on the lead which can stimulate the soft palate, temperature changes, especially going from cold to warm, mild throat or nasal inflammation, and sometimes you won't even be able to identify a clear trigger at all. Occasional instances can simply be part of how your dog's airway responds to everyday stimuli. Dolly often reverse sneezes when she gets excited, particularly just before dinner time, and it can go on for a good minute or so and then it just stops as quickly as it started. Which breeds are more prone to it? Any dog can reverse sneeze, but some breeds are definitely more likely to do it based on their anatomy. So brachycephalic breeds, dogs with shorter noses like pugs, bulldogs, French bulldogs and Boston terriers, tend to experience it more frequently. Their shortened airways and elongated soft palates make them more sensitive to irritation. Small breeds such as Chihuahuas, Yorkies, Shih Tzus and Maltese often have narrower airways, so even minor irritation can trigger a reverse sneezing episode. If your dog is in one of these groups, occasional episodes are just usually part of life with a compact snout. Is reverse sneezing dangerous? The good news is that reverse sneezing is almost always harmless. Even though it can look dramatic, most dogs recover within 10 to 60 seconds and then act completely normal. They can breathe during the episode, it just doesn't look like smooth or comfortable breathing. It looks as though their body is convulsing, which can make it really distressing to watch sometimes, particularly if it's going on a while. However, there are times when you should pay closer attention. Contact a vet if the episodes happen very frequently, last longer than usual, come with coughing, wheezing, fever, lethargy, or like a nasal discharge, seem to be caused by something lodged in the throat, start suddenly in an older dog with no history of reverse sneezing. Most of the time though, it is not an emergency, just a slightly theatrical airway spasm. How can you stop it when it happens? You don't need to panic or rush your dog to the car for a vet visit. Instead, there are a few simple techniques that I'm just going to grab ready for, which can interrupt the spasm. Gently stroke or massage your dog's throat. This can help the muscles relax and encourage a swallow reflex. Briefly cover their nostrils for a second or two. This encourages your dog to swallow, which often resets the soft palate. Keep the environment calm. Dogs often respond to our energy, so staying relaxed during an episode helps them to settle faster. Identify and reduce triggers if you can. For example, avoid spraying cleaning products near your dog or consider a harness if pulling on the neck seems to set it off. Don't shake your dog, pry their mouth open or give water mid-episode. Soft, gentle input works best. When is veterinary attention needed? Reverse sneezing shouldn't be painful, long-lasting or accompanied by breathing difficulties. If you're ever unsure whether it's a reverse sneeze or something more serious like a collapsed trachea or respiratory infection or choking, it is worth getting a professional opinion. A quick video recording of the episode can be so incredibly helpful for your vet too. So that's everything you need to know about reverse sneezing in dogs, what it is, why it happens, when you should worry, and how to help your dog through it. For most dogs, it's just a harmless quirk, even if it does give us a bit of a scare every time we see it. I hope you found today's video somewhat interesting and useful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more dog related videos.